Imagine walking into your home, filled with the latest smart technology designed to keep you safe and secure. Last week, we explored how smart technology in the Philippines enhances safety. This week, let's delve into the smart technology available for your indoor environment. Before diving into smart devices, assess your home's environment. If you prefer natural ventilation with open windows, think twice about investing in smart technology. High humidity can damage your devices, similar to spraying water on your TV. Your home doesn't need the crisp environment of high-end data centers, but it should maintain constant and dry conditions. Air conditioning systems can be expensive, but they are necessary to protect your technology. Designate a room for your office, where all your network technology will reside. Here, you can control the temperature and humidity to keep your devices safe. Take advantage of solutions like the Sensibo air system. This allows independent AC control, reducing cooling costs in unoccupied areas of your home. Power stability is crucial for security. I emphasize the importance of uninterruptible power supply, UPS systems. These systems ensure that your security remains intact even during power outages. Quality UPS systems also purify power, protecting your smart devices from unreliable mains. Consider integrating voltage surge stabilizers into your electrical service box, safeguarding your appliances. Let's talk about smart door locks. They come in various forms, allowing entry via tags, thumbprints, PIN codes, or even remotely. While they're convenient, I still prefer a good deadbolt and key lock for reliability. Next, smart cameras. Modern systems use machine learning to distinguish between family members and intruders. Position them strategically around your home to cover potential entry points without invading personal spaces. A well-placed camera can secure vital areas like nurseries or home offices, providing peace of mind. Let's add some flair with smart lights. Philips Hue technology has transformed my home. Connected to Amazon Alexa, I control lighting with voice or app, whether home or away. The color profiles and effects can turn your house into a vibrant venue. To enhance security, program the lights to turn on randomly at night, simulating occupancy. This can trick potential intruders into thinking your home is lived in. With smart devices come challenges, particularly hacking. Each room in my house features an Amazon Alexa, allowing mixed control between voice, app, and routines. However, if you're installing these systems yourself, ensure they are secured. Unsecured technology can attract hackers, putting your privacy at risk. Imagine receiving an email showing personal footage from your cameras, demanding money. Hacking is common, but it's preventable with proper knowledge and security measures. In conclusion, integrating smart technology at home enhances security and convenience. From air conditioning to lighting and security systems, each component protects your home and adds a modern touch. Take charge, assess your home, choose the right smart technology, and secure it from potential threats. Ready to upgrade your home with smart technology? Start designing your secure and stylish living space today.